Hi everyone. Today we are going to complete our 6 days of our ongoing series of advancing our communication skills and leveling up with yourself. So, yes, we have been continuing this series to improve our communication skill and get to improve ourselves in lot of different type of ways. We are going to try different type of things and work on ourselves so that we can get a better result by doing this type of work. So let's continue and do our today's sessions. So hi friends, in this session we are going to explore something about how we are developing and improving ourselves. From the past 6 days, I have completing this series, and yeah, you can definitely see that how I am improving myself day by day and getting to know how to do those type of things and talk to in English with people without hesitations and without any type of fear. When you talk to people, you will get to know how to communicate and how you are representing yourself to the others. That's the thing you need to learn, and that exactly what I am doing. So based on the last 6 days experience, I can tell you that this is really a most satisfying experience I have having in the last some months. So yeah, definitely it's going to work. After completing our first week, we are going to take also talk on individual topics, and we'll make individual videos on those topics, and we will just take social issues and we will talk on that issues, and we will try to talk on that topics on our in very details and try to find out how we can find solution of those topics, and that's are really going to maybe our social issues that we are seeing in our day-to-day life. So that's is a really thing that we can talk what's happening surroundings our and see, and then we are going to talk on that thing. So it's really helpful, and it also improve yourself how you can able to find solutions in a difficult situations when you are. So yeah, that's the things we are going to do, and also about my editing skills and video editing skills that I am learning, and you will definitely see in upcoming videos when I will edit by the videos while I am learning. So you can see that how it's going to work. And basically the thing is that by doing this session, first thing is that you have to make a decision that you are able to do that or not, because if you are making any type of decision, you have to put your 100% to do that thing, so you will get a result what you wanted. And there are a lot of different things we will talk in the upcoming videos. As in 2026, we all can see that how fast our world is moving towards the artificial intelligence and the world of AI. So we also have to maintain that thing to keep balance between us and other people. So we will also try to learn some different type of skills by doing this session beside that things. So that's the thing how we are going to communicate and do the things actually what we are wanted to do. So lots of things will happen during this journey, so we will get along and do the things what we are wanted. Actually, I don't care about the views and comments. Basically, I am just doing to improve myself, and I am not going to do anything for like subscribe my channel and anything like that. This is just I am doing for myself, not for anyone, because I want to improve myself. So I have to do the things because no one is going to help me, and also this is the things you may do by yourself. Friends, also it's helping me to build a habit of working daily, and by doing this it will definitely take I think 1 hour to shoot this video, and definitely 1 and 2 hours to edit it. So the 3 hours I am definitely spending on the things I have to need it, because in these 3 hours I am learning the skills that will help me in the future. And also By doing this, I am building a lot of confidence, and I am improving that how I am talking with other peoples. I can also tell you that when I watch my recent videos and now I am recording this video, I can definitely see that how I am improving, that I am able to communicate without any hesitations and without, I mean, taking gaps between why I am talking and making sentences. That it's definitely coming throughout my mind. It's like when you try do lots of practice on anything, it's like a habit of muscle memory. When you try, just words come out through your mouth and you will start speaking, and it will definitely, when you feel confident, whatever you are talking, it will be going to correct. Because when you talk with confidence, it will definitely build a mindset where you are, it's build a mindset where you definitely, there are zero chances of making mistakes. So this is how things will be. By doing this session, I also have to maintain my college study, and also I am doing a job where it's like 9 hour shift. So by managing these things, it's really tough, you can say tough, but it's not unmanageable. I can manage those things if I will separate my times in different type of stages, and I will do the things what I have to needed to do. So that's basically is going to build myself, help myself, and it's going to help my make future build. So that's how things are working. Friends, if I consider that when I am started this session on the first day and comparing to this, if I have to assume the levels of what I have, so I definitely improved by one level. If I will start from zero, then I am on level 1. So our goal is to reach the level 10, where we are able to got expert like communications with other peoples and on any topic and any type of things we are. And also I will try to do some podcast with my friends or family members on this, so it will also help me to learn content creations that will lot of people are doing in this year. And I mean, in these times, in this century, you can say that lot of things as you want. So that's the definitely thing, you have to put yourself together and do your hard works. And also I am trying to speak English with my cousins and siblings that they are living around me. That will going to help day to day in day to day life, that how I am able to speak. It's there is two types. I where I there are two types of English. Where one is the where you speak professionally with your in your jobs, in your schools, in your college, and one thing is when you talk with your friends, families. That is the other thing. So I definitely have to work on both of them. So that's the things how it's going. And okay, for today, just let's a simple topic, our education system. Friends, we will talk this in other videos, on our individual videos. When I will record, I will talk in details about our education system. But for today, we are just going to a brief introduction that will happening in 2026. You all have seen that there are lots of papers are leakings, and this is the only lack of our systems, education system. And also it is responsible of our peoples. They are not asking the questions when they have to, and this is the how things we are, it's in our habit to see the this type of things. Because when we compare to other countries, that type of things will not happen in other countries. The paper leaks and the education system, it's really going to down day by day in our country. And if it will go continue like this, the things is not working how the things have to be in today's, in the modern day of social media. We are able to get lot of information through all other countries, and we can able to see that how the difference between our country and the other countries education systems are. You can take the example of China and Japan, how they are maintaining their government schools and providing the lot of things they are doing for their future generation. So that will the thing how the countries are going to grow. But in our country, you will see that how our governments are closing our government schools and promoting lot of public schools, and they are getting lot of funds from there. So that's we need to change our mindset and we need to do things. And also one thing is that we really have to work on our education system. You guys don't believe me that how after recording and posting these videos I will watch this definitely 3 and 4 times what mistakes I have made and what improvements I have to make, because I need to analyze what corrections I need to make while I will record other next videos. So definitely by doing these sessions, analyzing things and preparing a lot of stuff, so this is how things will go and we will continue. Thanks for today and have a good day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Best of luck.